If you live in, have travelled, or are travelling to New Zealand, the Milford Sounds is a name you will likely be familiar with, and for good reasons. If any space within New Zealand were to represent its full beauty, this is it. Lush green forests, majestic alpine peaks, and even the cheeky wildlife. For me as a Kiwi, Milford is like nothing I've ever seen. And if it weren't for all the tourists with their silly selfie sticks and poor use of cameras, I would say that Milford is absolute perfection.